વેલકમ ટુ પોડ ટોક શો. આજે આપણી પાસે એક એવા શખ્સિયત છે જેમને પોતાના કરિયરની શરૂઆત બહુ જ એનાલિટિકલ પ્રોફેશન સાથે કરી હતી, જેમને સીએનું ભણતર કર્યું, એમફિલ કર્યું અને ઇવેન્ચ્યુઅલી એના પછી એક વોઇસ ઓવર અને વોઇસ સ્ટુડિયોના સાથે લાઈક હિસ્ટ્રી ચેનલ એમને કામ કર્યું અને ફાઇનલી શી હેઝ એન્ડેડ અપ બીંગ અ આર્ટિસ્ટ. She is right now in the business of creating beautiful art and executing those art pieces in a daily utility. So let's welcome the co-founder of Tree Art Inc., Anshini Parekh.
Hi.
Welcome, Anshini.
Thank you so much. Hi.
So tell me this, આટલું સારી જર્ની હતી પાછળ પ્રોફેશનલ કરિયરમાંથી જ્યારે આર્ટ તરફ તમે આવ્યા. સો આર્ટ ઇઝ અ સોર્ટ ઓફ પ્લેસ વિચ હેઝ નો રૂલ. યુ આર ઇન અ નો રૂલ બિઝનેસ.
Yes.
સો યુ થિંક ઇટ વોઝ અ કોન્શિયસ પ્લાન કે મારે આર્ટ તરફ જવું છે કે વોઝ ઇટ ગોડ્સ પ્લાન?
It was absolutely God's plan. It was not planned at all. Actually, the thing was that it was a journey. From going to my husband's office was how I started to not going to my husband's office because of personal reasons. અને એના પછી વર્કિંગ વિથ એન ઓડિયો પ્રોડક્શન હાઉસ ફોર અ વાઇલ, હિસ્ટ્રી ચેનલ સાથે અમે કામ કર્યું, મ્યુઝિક ફેસ્ટિવલ્સ કર્યા, વેર આઈ મેટ માય પાર્ટનર ઓવર ધેર. એન્ડ because I wanted a different life, my work hours were much higher. Then we started thinking that we should make products and sell online, because then we realized that the world is your market. So that was the inception of the company, that let's create artistic or some nice product which is different and sell it.
Okay.
So that's when we started and founded this company. Tree and art, two different words, but both were very important to me, and this name just came, Tree Art Inc. When we started, I was not painting, I was not an artist, but once we started the company, and slowly I realized that there is some part of art inside me which came out by God's grace, and that's how we founded this company. And art became an primal point of all the products and all the things that we do today.
So when we are talking about art and when we are talking about products, our viewers might be interested to know exactly Tree Art Inc. શું કરે છે?
Okay. So let me start with saying that I am a self-taught artist. I hesitate when I say artist because I think I always learn. But yes, I started making products first, and then the art behind it came. અમે જ્યારે કંપની ચાલુ કરી ત્યારે અમે ડિઝાઇન્સ ગ્રાફિકલી બનાવતા હતા અને એવી પ્રોડક્ટ્સ કરવી હતી જે મને એવું લાગતું હતું, લાઈક આર ફર્સ્ટ પ્રોડક્ટ વોઝ સ્કાર્ફ. જે સ્કાર્ફ્સ
Okay.
જે અમદાવાદ માર્કેટમાં નહોતું મળતું. એટલે હું જ્યારે બી ફોરેન ટ્રાવેલ કરું કે તમે બીજી જગ્યાએ તમે જાઓ, અને આઈ યુઝ ટુ કલેક્ટ, અને મને બહુ જ ગમતું હતું જે મને લોકલ માર્કેટમાં નહોતું મળતું. ઓફકોર્સ બિકોઝ ઓફ વેધર એન્ડ લોટ ઓફ અધર રીઝન્સ ઇટ વોઝ મોર ઓફ અ વેસ્ટર્નાઇઝડ એક્સેસરી ટુ વેર. સો જ્યારે અમે આઈ થોટ કે હું એ પ્રોડક્ટ બનાવું જે માર્કેટમાં નથી મળતું. સો સ્કાર્ફ વોઝ આર ફર્સ્ટ પ્રોડક્ટ which we started selling for approximately 2.5-3 years. Slowly I started my collaborations karya. I used to sell it into boutiques, designers over here, options mein karta tha. Harita Kapoor Korean designer hati, she used to sell. There's another designer here who used to keep our products, and we started selling those indirectly and of course online. And when we thought we are pretty settled, that's when we extended our product line. જેમાં અમે bags, નાના clutches, બટવાસ, utility bags, eyeglass covers, small accessories જે તમને થોડું ચુંબક કે તમે એ બધામાં જોયું, fun, quirky, artistic stuff. That's when we started adding more products to our product line.
Correct. So when we talk about you using art
Yes.
in creating this product, can you help me with the whole process? આખી ડિઝાઇનિંગ પ્રોસેસ કેવી રીતે કામ કરે છે?
Okay, so for me, because art is like not something that I've studied, I'm not stuck to any genre of art. Okay, so first thing is my inspiration. It can be nature, which is highly vast, but in nature there is a lot of botanicals, lot of birds, which I love to paint. So I don't think कि હું આ વાપરીશ કેવી રીતે. First I just paint whatever inspires me. So like last year I did a lot of jungle travels. We did 2-3 trips in the jungle last year. So I was just that I have to paint. So last year's whole collection was based on tigers and leopards and elephants and the jungle theme.
Correct.
So I start painting. I paint and then we kind of conceptualize કે હવે આ આર્ટને અમે ટેક્સટાઇલ ડિઝાઇન બનાવીએ અને એ ટેક્સટાઇલ ડિઝાઇનમાં સપોઝ ટાઈગર હોય તો સ્કાર્ફમાં એ ડિફરન્ટલી પ્લેસ્ડ હોય, એ બેગમાં ડિફરન્ટલી પ્લેસ્ડ હોય. ઓફકોર્સ ધ ડિઝાઇન રિમેન્સ ધ સેમ બટ ધ પ્રોડક્ટ લાઇન એન્ડ ધ ડિઝાઇન ઓન ધ પ્રોડક્ટ ચેન્જીસ. લાઈક નાનું આઇટમ હોય લાઈક એન આઈ ગ્લાસ કવર તો એની એ જ ડિઝાઇન પણ એની સ્કેલ બદલાઈ જાય.
Correct.
So inspired by nature, painted with heart, and that is translated onto all the products. And I would say a lot of passion and lot of hard work goes behind every single design that we create.
So also when you say that these designs are first created and then they are positioned on the
Yes.
product, as much as I understand it, these are like highly utility based products.
Yes.
Right. So which sort of product line are we talking about?
Okay, so like જ્યારે scarves હોય તો it's like a fashion statement piece. Bag હોય તો we do tote bags, duffel bags. So those are very travel friendly things. We do pouches and utility bags. જે તમને you put your stuff, you put your shoes. So we always make, even તમે giftingમાં, like all our products are highly taken for gift purposes. બધામાં આઈ મેક શ્યોર કે એવી પ્રોડક્ટ્સ હોય જે તમારા ડે ટુ ડે લાઈફમાં તમારા ટ્રાવેલ્સમાં કે wherever they are usable and you carry it with a with a idea કે I'm carrying something artistic, something different.
Correct.
Which is not there in the market.
Correct.
Something bespoke where there's a story behind it.
Correct. Correct. So when you are trying to create something that has a story, that has an art piece, I also understand that it has been like 8th year of your brand.
Yes.
અને 8 વર્ષથી આ કામ કરી રહ્યા છો, and it's a two people brand, you and your co-founder Mr. Amit Kothari.
Yes.
So can you also help me understand how did this journey of co-founding it happen? What is your role, what is his role, અને આખી ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશનને તમે કેવી રીતે બિલ્ડ કરી બનાવવા મળીને?
Okay, so it's interesting how we met. So when we were working for History Channel with Musica Productions, like I said, I used to handle that whole project. I was handling all the artists and the dubbing and everything. Well, Amit was, his other company is into hardware software, where I met him. And both of us were we used to see every day that markets are changing, things are changing, the world of online has come in. So both of us were in one common thought that things are selling online now. So why don't we start up a business where we can collaborate and come up with things where we can sell globally. And me coming from, so I was not a fashion designer, but somehow whenever I wore things and whenever I did things, people always used to compliment me for my choice of aesthetic. So he said that, why don't you just, design? And I thought, my first reaction was that I don't know how to design. He's like, why don't you try? We have designer on board. So that's when I just gave it a shot. I started understanding design. And he, of course, manages the other part of it. So my role here is design, production, and coming up with a product, which is very, very interesting to wear, something which I would wear day in and out. And his role is sales. His role is finances, the boring part, the accounts and everything is his forte. So yes, we make a good team that way.
Correct. So when we talk about the brand Triating, how do you make sure that you are also working on sustainability of design? Because that's a buzzword, that's a trend word. People are
Yes.
going for the sustainable designs a lot.
Yes. So I would say not sustainable design, but sustainable products. So we try and create products which are at least something which you can, take for a longer period of time. Two things that we make sure that because of personal choice also is that we avoid leather, we avoid plastic in the products that we make, even in the packaging that we do. We don't use those things. But because they are textile products, and they are not faux leather, they do last much longer. You can wash them, you can reuse them, and they are with you for a longer period of time. And I have clients who come to me After 3 years, after 4 years, see, I'm still using your eyeglass covers and nothing has happened. You know, it's like a wear and tear, but nothing has happened. So that's the goal, that you don't just need to keep on changing. Like if you see Alia Bhatt, she really promotes that idea that you have to, reuse your clothes. You just don't wear them every day and just, throw them and get another. A little consciousness towards sustainability.
નાઉ કમ્સ ધ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પાર્ટ. આટલા વર્ષો તમે કામ કર્યું છે ને આઈ એમ પ્રિટી શ્યોર બિંગ અ આર્ટિસ્ટ સમબડી હુ ઇઝ વર્કિંગ સો ક્લોઝલી વિથ ક્રિએટિવિટી there would be certain account or certain client જેના માટે તમે કામ કર્યું હશે which is very close to your heart. Can you share one such story of a client which is very close to your heart?
Project would be, I think, close also, a proud feeling also, and I think challenging also. That was one thing. We had a corporate order from Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Yes, Coca-Cola. And we had to kind of create a bespoke box for them. It was just not ke branding karine aaphi ditu. A lot of people do that. But I had to create the theme of the company, and their meeting, there was a big gathering. They had people coming from all over the world for that event that they had, and they wanted to create a design. From that design, create products, and from those products, a corporate nice hamper. So from the inception of the design, giving them 5 different designs from which they selected one, to give them 5-7 products which had a scarf, eyeglass cover. It was a his and her corporate box. So eyeglass cover, there was a pocket square tie and cuffling in a nice wooden box, etched, and every item also had personal branding on it for specific company specific theme. જેમાં અમે elephants choose કર્યા હતા. Everything was, and it was a 250-piece order also. Everything was done in a matter of 16 days, inclusive of holidays. From inception of the design to the delivery of the box was done in 16 days. I think that is something.
That's a fantastic
was
thing.
a crazy achievement, and the kick that we got as a team after doing that was fabulous.
I believe I have not heard of the brands who are so much into customization where they do this sort of designing first, painting it, and then creating textile, creating product from that. I believe that is, you are working in a very specifically niche market.
Yes.
And even if you talk about your peers or competitors, you are not having that much of competition per se in the market because there are not much brands working in this space.
Yes. So people who understand the artistic side of it, yes, not much. So that there are big players like Sabyasachi does that. The prints that they create is hand painted. Rohit Bal used to do that. Their cutlery line. Even Neeta Lula. So they have people who do it, but it's at a very different scale. At my scale, I would say, and the rates where I sell my products is. I don't have much people doing similar line of work. Yes.
Okay, so going ahead, what about the wedding? So I believe for any artistic person, any creative person, wedding is a place where you can try, do anything. You have like a whole canvas in front of you. So how do you work in the wedding market?
Okay. So this is, and all the things that I've done, touchwood, till date has just come to me. So this happened in COVID. Wedding cards were never something that we had imagined that we would do. So in COVID, I had somebody who came to me that, I have a wedding theme. I'm using only 4 things like marigolds, it's, પેલું આસોપાલવ, નાડા છડી and jute કંતાન. એ જ મારું ડેકોર છે ને એનું જ મારે થીમ કરવું છે. That was my first wedding card, very special, very small quantity. અને I said, okay, fine, I'll do it for you. And I did that, and it turned out so nice. I did it in 2 different styles. એક Indian traditional અને એનો જ આખો modern version અમે પેઇન્ટ કર્યું હતું. So that was my starting point, and then every year I had people who wanted bespoke. I had brides who came to me કે હું મારું pet parakeet છે, તમે એને પેઇન્ટ કરો, મારું આ dog છે કે this is very special to me. He proposed me like this. So why don't you involve this element? અમારા ઘરે ચંપાનું ઝાડ છે, તમે કેમ ચંપા, do champa for us, do bougainville for us. So every small detail and everything was translated onto creating artwork for them and then taking it onto their wedding cards. એમના wedding decor પ્રમાણે, every function પ્રમાણે, decor પ્રમાણે I have painted wedding cards, and it just took up. It just went on so well.
Anyone that you have done which is like sort of benchmark in the industry, okay, કર્યું છે, ઇટ્સ અ પ્રાઉડ મોમેન્ટ.
બધા બહુ સ્પેશિયલ છે, પણ સમટાઈમ્સ ઇઝ મોર ઓફ ધ એસ્થેટિક બિકોઝ ઓફ આર્ટ. આઈ ડોન્ટ લુક એટ ઇટ ઇન ડિફરન્ટ વે. બિકોઝ ઓફ આર્ટ એક છે મેં જે લાસ્ટ સિઝન કર્યું ઇઝ વેરી નાઇસ. ખાલી લાઇટ પિંક, ગ્રીન અને આઇવરી ટોનમાં એક આર્ટ થયું, અને ઇટ ટર્ન આઉટ ટુ બી ફેબ્યુલસ. ઇટ્સ વન ઓફ માય ફેવરેટ્સ. ઇટ્સ વેરી સિમ્પલ, મિનિમલિસ્ટિક, બટ ઇટ્સ જસ્ટ ધ એસ્થેટિક ઓફ દેટ હોલ કાર્ડ ઇઝ લાઈક.
I believe you have also done it for Darshan Rahul.
I have, yes. I have done it for Darshan Rawal.
Great. So,
Dharal and Darshan. So એનું આખું આર્ટ વર્ક એને મારી ફ્રેન્ડ છે, both of us collaborated for this. She came to me. They were struggling with, Dharal was not liking too much of other things that she was proposing. So she's like, why don't you come? So we created a nice floral wreath for her and she was very happy. એ લોકોનું આખું વેડિંગ આર્ટ વર્ક અમે કર્યું છે. યસ.
so when we talk about designs, has it ever happened that you create a design, you create something, but client જે છે એની expectations is art does not have a specific structure.
Yes.
એની expectation meet ના થઈ હોય.
સબ્જેક્ટિવ છે. યસ, આર્ટ ઇઝ વેરી સબ્જેક્ટિવ. સમથિંગ આઈ રિયલી લાઈક, કોઈને ના ગમે. બટ સી, જ્યારે હું બીસ્પોક કામ કરતી હોઉં છું ને, તો મારો પ્રોસેસ ટચવુડ બાય ગોડ્સ ગ્રેસ એક પણ ક્લાયન્ટ એવું નથી ઇઝ નોટ હેપી વિથ વોટ આઈ હેવ ક્રિએટેડ. બિકોઝ પહેલાં આઈ એમ વેરી પર્ટિક્યુલર ઇન ટેકિંગ અ બ્રીફ ફ્રોમ ધ ક્લાયન્ટ. આઈ મેક શ્યોર કે એમનું જે વિઝન, આઈડિયાઝ એમને શું જોઈએ છે, I make sure I write every small point. After that, I start conceptualizing the design. And I do involve them at my sketching and painting level, where I know that, sometimes they also come with a background. So to understand the client profile and then creating a design, and I involve them. I send them pictures. मैं आटलू paint કર્યું છે, આટલું બાકી છે. Are they liking it? I discuss the colors also and I get their feedback. If it's an absolute no, I redo it. But 95% of the times they are very happy. They come to me because they see my work, they love my work, they trust my work. I have had clients કે તું કરી નાખ અને ફાઇનલ પતે એટલે કહે છે. I have had clients and they are just so happy. એટલો બધો ટ્રસ્ટ સાથે બી I have had clients.
So if there are people who want to get their wedding design, they want to get their art design, even if they want their home, now ઉપર કંઈક mural art બનાવવા છે કે home wall પર, if they want some design, and even if they want a corporate gifting, even if somebody wants to give away something, they must contact Anshini.
Yes, bespoke, customized designing and creating. You should come to us.
Everything that you wear and everything that you give, if you need a story behind it, you are the person to go.
Yes.
But when Anshini, you sit with that market, I've seen lots of creative people facing creative blockage. There is a stagnation. They can't think of things. Has it ever happened that you face such stagnation, there is a creative block, and you are not able to overcome it? And what do you do to ensure that you pass through that phase?
Yes, I do have my days. I do have days where I can't think of a design, where I'm stuck, especially when you're not coming from an art background. I somehow, even artists, all at every level they face this. But yeah, I have my bad days. Sometimes I just get out of the house. I don't sleep nights. I keep on thinking about the design until I get one, and then an idea sparks. I get it in 2 days or 5 days, or I just go out. Something happens, and that comes. I think that is God's grace. That's a divine intervention for me. But yes, it happens and I deal with it. I have my low days also.
Fabulous. And here comes the final question, Anshini.
Yes.
What next? So are you planning to launch more product lines? Are you planning to come up with something new? Are you planning to go into a newer market, going multinational? What is the plan for Tree Arting?
So we've just finished a shoot for our new collection, which is going to be abstract based this time. So 10 different designs for scarves, and product line we're not increasing, but we are making a little changes in our bags. So that is going to happen. Yes, we are going to sell online. We might, sell it on more art websites this year. Maybe get into more of wallpapers, maybe get into more of wedding designs, and go more into events, because those areas are doing fantastically for us. So yeah, that's our next 6 months plan.
Fabulous, Anshini. So I believe we have been able to take a deep dive in how the artwork can be a part of daily utility. It's not just made to stay on canvas.
Yes.
it is made to be used for your daily life.
Yes.
And if somebody can smartly use it, they would be able to get a gist of it in their everyday life.
Yes. And proudly take it as something which is very different, bespoke, and something which is just created from an inspiration from nature.
Fabulous. So actually here comes a part where we want you to be as candid as possible. We will have a rapid fire round.
Okay.
You will get around 10 to 15 seconds to answer each question.
Yeah.
And whatever comes to your mind first, let's deep dive into what Anshini thinks.
Okay. Fire
So let's
away.
get started.
Yes, fire away.
Great. One best selling product ideal for gifting.
Scarf.
One hidden gem for Tree Art Inc. portfolio.
I would say utility bag. Utility bag because it's a very usable and a low cost item and sustainable too.
Great. Designer scarves ideal to wear with.
Attire wise,
Mm-hmm.
a plain attire which needs an elevation.
Great. Right set of combos for gifting.
Scarf and clutch or pouches and utility bags.
Tell me you are an artist without telling me you are an artist.
Look at me, I'm wearing my art.
Fabulous. Your favorite form of art?
Form, nahi, but medium if I would say watercolors.
Watercolors. Fabulous. An artist you find should be celebrated and acknowledged for his or her work.
Frida Kahlo. I love her. I love her work and I love her attitude and the colors and the flowers. I resonate with her a lot. Frida Kahlo.
Your success mantra that you want to share.
Hard work, and hard work, I think. And be true to your work. So,
And if you would not have Tree Art Inc., what would you be?
cannot fathom.
Fabulous.
Cannot fathom.
Fabulous, fabulous. So it was great talking with you, Anshini, and I believe lots of people try to create a business out of their passion. Lots of people try to find a passion in their business, but you are the one who first created business, then found a passion and merged both of them together.
Yes, yes.
So it was a fabulous time talking with you, Anshini.
Same here,
And I'm pretty sure our viewers have got an idea કે બોસ આ દુનિયામાં કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ ખૂબસૂરત હોય તો એને જીવનના નાની વસ્તુ જોડે જોડીને દરરોજ વાપરી શકાય છે. જો કોઈ આર્ટ પીસ સારું લાગે છે તો એ કાલે સવારે તમારા કપડા પર હોઈ શકે છે અને કોઈ ડિઝાઇન સારી લાગે તો એ તમારા હાથમાં એક પર્સ બનીને હોઈ શકે છે. એન્ડ ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ ધેટ ટુ હેપન, ડુ કોન્ટેક્ટ Tree Art Inc. with Anshini Parikh. And if you want us to bring more such content to you, if you want કે અમે આવી જ રીતના ઘણા લોકલ બટ ફેબ્યુલસ ઓન્ટરપ્રિન્યોર્સને તમારા સામે લાવી શકીએ અને આવા ઘણા કોન્ટેન્ટ તમારી પાસે રેગ્યુલર બેઝિસ પર લાવીએ તો પ્લીઝ લાઇક અસ, સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ધીસ ચેનલ એન્ડ શેર એઝ મચ એઝ પોસિબલ બિકોઝ ટ્રસ્ટ મી there is an entrepreneur sitting between us who just want your support and they can make fabulous market entry someday. Thank you so much for your time. Signing off. Thank you, Anshini.
Thank you, Shubham. Thank you, Shubham.